गोंयांत उद्देग करपी उद्देग संघटनांचे प्रतिनिधी बेरेस्तारा दीस राज्याचो मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताक मेळ्ळे आनी कोवीड महामारीक लागून गोंयांत उद्देग करपी वेवसायिकांकूय व्हड नुकसान जालां त्या बद्दल म्हायती दिल्या. तशेंच गोंय सरकारान तातूंत लक्ष घालून उद्देजकांक मजत करची अशी मागणी केल्ल्याची म्हायती GCCIचो अध्यक्ष मनोज काकुलोन दिल्या.
Economy has to run. Health is important, but economy has to run, because if there is no economy, if there is no income for households, what is the use of your health? So I think with proper taking care of the health properly, all these activities have to start. Now whether theatres in Goa will start or no will depend upon whether the films will get released and all that thing. But besides that, the other entertainment and tourism industry, people are coming to Goa, staying in hotels. Restaurants have started, people have started going out. It is, I think, important that people should also try and come out to help the economy. If you don't go out and eat in a restaurant, somebody's job is not safe. So we have to take care of the jobs. Otherwise, restaurants will close, businesses will close, and people will lose their jobs. From that point of view, it is very important that everybody, by taking care of their health, should venture out and take care of lives and livelihood of everybody involved. No, he has not agreed as such, but he is looking at it very positively. Next week, he is going to give it to his officers, and next week we are meeting again as to how the modalities can be worked out. But he is sympathetic of the fact that government should not charge for the period when they have asked us to shut down. We wanted a lot of things, a lot of help from the government. That is why Mukhyamantri Chief Minister मेळपाक आयिल्ले. We are a joint representation of GSI, Goa Chamber as well as CII. And VIA, Vienna Industries Association. We had sought time with the Chief Minister, and we had given him a lot of things that we require help for the industry from the government. And we are very happy that Chief Minister has given adequate time to us and made note of all our problems, listened to all our problems, and probably within the next 1 or 2 weeks we will be continuing this to see that all our problems are sorted out immediately. There are a lot of things. There are issues with IDC related issues are there in industrial estates, whether it is infrastructure or various other things. Then there are basically on what are the parameters we can work on for ease of doing business. Then there are issues which, besides the industries, the entire other trade is also suffering. Like all the municipalities are demanding full year's charges from them, whether it is sanitation charge or house tax or trade tax and all that. So we have sought relief on that, because besides the manufacturing unit, even the small shopkeepers or hotels, restaurants, everybody should get rebate. We have sought rebate on the excise for the bar license, because bars were not open for 4 months in this year. So why should the fees be paid for 12 months? These are some of the things, but mainly on the industrial sector, there were a lot of things which needed to be done, and we are happy that Chief Minister is going to give us a very, very positive solution to the problems that we have.